Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you how can you add search analytics or insights in your WordPress site. Okay, you can see the dashboard here. You can see all the terms user have searched in my site. See, also you can see the results here, and you can see the most popular searches and when the searches happen and from which page the search occurs. Okay, you can sort it by date filter and you have display options which you can show in dashboard. Let's see how can we do that. Okay, first of all I will go to my WordPress website and go to the plugins area. I will add a new plugin. I will use this plugin. It's called WP Search Insights, privacy friendly search analytics. It has a pretty good review. Also you can see the screenshots here. Okay, let's see how can we do this. First of all, I'm copying the plugin names. This is the one. Okay, I'm installing it, activating. Now as you can see, plugin is installed. Okay, so it will suggest you to for a tour. You can see from where it will show a dashboard widgets here. Let's drag it here. You can see the version, you can see popular searches and top searches. Okay, next where you can get the search dashboard, it's under tools section and WP Search Insights. Here is this. Okay, here you can it will show you recent searches. Here you can it will show you popular searches and you can do the configuration here. Okay, that's all. Let's see what are the settings says. You can exclude admin searches. If you want to exclude admin searches, you can do this here. If you want to exclude searches shorter than 2 or 3 characters or 4 characters, you can do it here. You can exclude searches if you want to longer than 50 characters, or you can configure it here. Who can view the dashboard? I'm setting you can set it to all users or only for administrators. If you want to track Ajax searches, you can do it from here. Okay, automatically delete terms from your database after this period, you can configure it here. Okay, and you can do custom search parameter. Let's say by default WordPress, you can see by default WordPress search string is question mark equal s. You can set it for custom search parameter. Okay, also you can export the search database from here by date filtering, and if you check this one, it will clear the table of your searches when you uninstall the plugin. Also you can clear the database from here. Okay, so these are the settings, and this is the dashboard area where search can appear. So let's see it in action. Okay, first of all I will create a new page. Let's create a new page. Just I will yes, sorry, my bad. My AQ is not working, I don't know why. Let me check my page. Let's say this is my post. Okay, so some of my page is not working. There's just give it a default page name, anything. Okay, now what I will do, I will add the search widget here. Let's do the on-screen keyboard here. OSC. It's not coming on. Let's do this. Okay. Just reload the page here. So I still don't know what is creating the problem there. It's working by default. Let's say this is my page and I am placing a search widget here. I just publish it. Okay, let's add a new post from here. I still don't know what is creating the problem here. So this is the problem. Publishing failed. The response is not a valid JSON response. Okay, I'm just skipping it for now. Okay, what I can do, I will check this later, but I will show what is the issue. I will add it in the new post, existing post. Okay, still don't know what is the issue. Let's keep it here. So I will try with another use case. Leave. I'm going to the dashboard. I will add a new plugin, classic editor. I think Gutenberg is creating the problem here. Let's add new post. My post, yes, the Gutenberg is creating the problem here, I think. Okay, understood. I think let's create a new site. So just log into the site. Oh, okay, I found out what is the issue here. Issue is, I think InstaWP server is facing some kind of problem. Probably that caused the issue. Let's see what happens now. let's see. Yeah, I think they're facing an issue. Okay, so but still I can show you. If I go to my this site, so all the pages you can see here. So I have created a custom page, regular default page with search. If I view the page here, let's open this page in incognito window, and from here if I go to the dashboard, under tools you can see WP search insights. All the search is available here. Let's search for something like hello WordPress. Let's search it. Now if you check the dashboard, see, this is the searches occurs. Okay, from where? From search page. The spelling is misspelled, I think. Yes, misspelled. Okay, but you got the idea. How can you use this one? If you search it, let's say search again, search again, search again. If you reload this dashboard, you can see it's already in most popular searches. Okay, so I think if you run a blog or e-commerce website, and if you want to track the users data, get the search insights, what are the users regularly searching, you can use this plugin. It will be very helpful to you. So this is only for the searching, but if you want more customized reports, you can use like some Google Sitekit or rank math plugins or Yoast. These are better options. But if you just want searching analytics, I think this plugin will be okay for you. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.